So I had a thought. I just finished recording a 3-part video series for my website, and it is called Fighting Fire with Fire. In the first part, we talk about the tactics of the enemy, how he comes against us, and how we can recognize his attack, the areas that he attacks us in. The second part is about how to fight back. We want to win at this war. We want to use the tools that God has given us in order to defeat the enemy. But then we want to take it a step further. And in part 3, we talk about how to plunder the enemy. That means not just getting back what he took from us, but also getting back more than that. Actually coming to a next level in our walk with the Lord, in our relationship with him, by taking more than the enemy ever intended to steal from us. It's a really exciting series. I hope you enjoy it, and it is an exclusive offer to the subscribers of my website. So if you're interested, head on over there and subscribe at amyloper.com. The link is in the bio. Thanks.